Welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Lee Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how you can create a recurring task that doesn't necessarily follow the daily, weekly, monthly routine that you might see in TickTick. So what am I talking about? Let's say, for instance, you want to create a recurring task that happens every 9 months. Well, let's see what happens when we try to do such a thing. So let's say I have a recurring task, change refrigerator filter, right? And if I select due date, and let's say, for instance, I had changed it today, right? And I go to repeat. If I go over here, I see I only have daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and then every weekday. But if you notice, I also have a custom. If I select custom, and typically, by the way, I leave it on by due date. You can put it on by completion date or by specific date, but I typically leave it on by due date. I can change this to select for month because I'm doing it, every 9th month, right? And then I select that to every 9 months, right? Also down here, I can decide what day I want it to be on. And of course, I like to do it on the first Saturday. So I click on the first Saturday. And then I hit OK. When I do that, it goes ahead and picks 9 months from today. And it picked October. So that'll be the next time I have to swap out my refrigerator filter, right? I hit OK. And now, as you notice, it's every 9 months on the first Saturday. So I do hope this was helpful for y'all. And if it was, would you mind clicking that like button right down below? And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.